y'all? This is Wood Jr., man. I trust all is well. Yeah, baby. Hey, bro, do you guys have this feeling, man? Like when you're on your bike, man, like real talk, it feels so good, man, to be on your bike, riding, especially if you have your lady or your significant other, whoever, just riding, bro. It's a good feeling, bro. It's a real good feeling.
Good morning, my king.
Good morning. Ooh. How you doing?
Good, love. How are you?
I'm good.
Good morning, YouTubers.
Morning, YouTubers. Okay, now is today Sunday or is today Saturday, boo?
Today is Sunday.
How do we know it's Sunday?
Oh, boy.
You can't run from me, Tessa. Tap, 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 tap. Faster, faster, faster. All right, babe, we're going to time you putting your new helmet on. What type of helmet you have?
Schubert modular helmet.
Go ahead, girl.
Thanks.
1, 2, now. All right, ready?
Yeah.
So as soon as you touch your head, boo, go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Actually, I think it was like 10. Are you trying to go again real quick?
No, it's a little tight.
Oh. Okay. Okay. All right, what we about to do, babe?
The first 4 gears.
Wait a minute, the first 4 gears?
Yes.
Okay, the first 4 gears it is. How's the ride, babe, with your new modular Sherbert helmet looking?
It was good, my king. Very
Good.
nice and smooth.
Babe, have you seen my quarter? I dropped my quarter.
No, but
It was a quarter and a penny.
okay. Well, let's look on the ground. Oh, I think I see it right there.
There it is.
Next.
Motorcycle parking! Motorcycle parking! Oh, wait a minute, you're going too fast. Motorcycle parking! Motorcycle
Parking.
Good.
Back from service, and it was really awesome. We enjoyed volunteering as well. Now it is hubby's turn to share the sermon notes.
All right, guys, Pastor did a phenomenal job, as Wifey said. We're continuing our series, Faith That Works, and the actual topic is faith that makes a difference. Awesome. All right, guys, let's dive in. All right, guys, so I'm going to be reading James, the 2nd chapter, the 14th through 17th verse. Pretty great passages here, man. What good is it, my brothers, if a man claims to have faith but has no deeds? Can such faith save him? Suppose a brother or sister is without clothes and daily food. If one says to him, "Go, I wish you well, keep warm and well fed," but does nothing about his physical needs, what good is it? In the same way, faith by itself, if it is not accomplished by actions, is dead. So another bullet point here, guys, that I really like is that the pastor stated is, be careful, dead faith is worthless. And all that simply means is that faith without works is dead. All right, so your faith in conjunction with your works, now you actually have substance. All right, so just make sure you're using both of those, faith and works. All right, we're not only just praying and just having faith in God, we're doing the works that's needed to show evidence of the things that are not seen. All right, So a well-known scripture, guys, that the pastor actually stated that I really like and I remember as a child is John 3:16. And it says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believe in him shall not perish but have everlasting life." Another example of faith and works actually working together, because Christ came and gave his life as a sacrifice for you and I. All right. Also, guys, another good nugget here that I like, it says, "The salvation that we receive by grace is the unmerited favor that comes to us from God when we put our faith in Jesus." Super awesome, right? So another great passage of scripture here, guys, which is also awesome, which is James 2:24. It says, "You see that a person is justified by what he does and not by faith alone." All right. You see that a person is justified by what he does and not by faith alone. All right. Once again, that actions, words are one thing, guys, but actions, when lined up with the words, totally different. All right. You have people, I mean, they can make the best of speech, but if their actions doesn't line up with that, all it is Bible says it's just like a tinkling cymbal. All right. All right, guys. So here's another nugget that I really like. Okay. It says, faith is the root of salvation, and our good works are the fruit of salvation. So faith is the root of salvation, and our good works are the fruit of salvation. Once again, that's that faith and actions, faith with actions versus faith, no actions. All right. Also, guys, the book of James says this here in 2:17. It says, "Faith, if it is not accompanied by actions, is dead." So faith has to be accompanied by actions. All right. If not, if it's faith alone, it's actually dead. All right. All right, guys. So here are 3 markers of what we call dead faith. The first one is empty claims. The second one is absence of compassion. And the third is compartmentalized commitment. Those are 3 markers of dead faith. Make sure you don't have those, guys. Also, guys, James 2:18 says this, "But someone will say, 'You have faith, I have deeds. Show me your faith without deeds, and I will show you my faith by what I do.'" All right. Remember, faith is about actions. So another nugget here, guys, that I really like, it says, "Dynamic faith makes a difference." And then it goes on to the second bullet point. It says, "Real faith is always observable," meaning real, genuine faith, it's always noticed. You can notice it from a mile away. All right. All right, guys. So in closing, remember this. When your faith is dynamic, you are steadfast when times are tough. You're compassionate when you see a need. Like Abraham, you're obedient to the Lord you love. You step up. All right. And like Rahab, you're courageous when it's time to stand up. All right. And also, a life-changing faith in Jesus requires a life-changing commitment to follow him with your head and your heart and your will. All right, guys, on to the next scene. Gosh, man.
Yeah, my favorite
Definitely
color.
rider. Like, that's, yeah.
Come on in.
Come on, not passenger boots.
They're super heavy.
Yeah, I think these just only for the sports bikes, if I'm not mistaken.
I'm trying to think. Waterproof boots for.
Now, these here are waterproof because we got them from here.
Yeah.
But would that suffice for Wifey as being a passenger, like either one of these here? Or they're particularly for riders, you know what I'm saying?
They're gonna work for anything. Like,
Okay.
I mean, you can wear them if you're the one actually riding it. If you're the passenger, it's really not gonna matter. It just boils down to like protection. I mean,
Okay.
you know what I'm getting at.
Okay.
Like, you can wear track boots if you really wanted to on the back seat, or you can wear these. But
So
these are a
these-
little more advised.
Which one, these or this? Which one a little more advised?
Me,
Yeah.
I like keep track of the weather and stuff like that. Like, if I knew it was raining, I wouldn't ride the bike, so I wouldn't have to worry about the water. But
Yeah.
some people daily like a motorcycle, so I would say get the waterproof ones. But
Yeah.
if it's waterproof, it doesn't have the ventilation. Like these ones are gonna have a little bit more ventilation.
Gotcha.
And if I had one like Alpine Stars, they're like specifically made for being like high airflow ventilated.
Okay.
So it's super hot out.
Yeah.
You know, but waterproof is not gonna have that. But is it really that big of a deal? It's just what do you want? Like if you think it's gonna get wet, if it's gonna rain on you, then I would go with the waterproof boots.
How do you feel, bro? Real talk.
Well, it feels good except at the sides. Because this is a 7 wide, it's wide on the sides. Like there's room on the sides. It feels like there's a bend a little bit in each side, and I'm not used to that.
So you're used to that snug, like really hugging your foot.
Right, not tight, but a snug. But
Let's see. Okay.
it feels, and it's, but even though it's loose on the sides a little, it's still secure because it's tightly laced and it's got that strap here too to keep my foot in place. You know, it's a little tight. I need to loosen this thing up some. But
Wait, y'all comment down below, man. What do you guys think, man? Are these like good biker boots? You know what I'm saying? Or you know, this is my first time at this as well. So, hey guys, so we got Wifey the Frogg Togg rain gear. If she like it, we'll go ahead and purchase it. But I like the fact that that top part is a very bright color. So when we're riding, you know, drivers can see us from afar, and then I'll have my yellow rain gear on as well. So, what you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's comfortable.
Okay. And then, as far as the boots, guys, y'all help me out because I was going to get Wifey some boots in here in cycle gear, but the guy here as well as the other guy Dave, they were saying that she can rock those, that these are considered as biker boots. And I mean, Wifey says she's comfortable in them. You like them, man?
I do.
But I mean, I personally feel comfortable with getting her some actual boots. So you guys comment down below, man. What do you guys think? For those who ride with your wives or your lady friend, do they have boots like that, and are they comfortable with them? So, what do you think, man? You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Are you comfortable?
I am. It's just, you know, the bike's tilted to the side, so I gotta,
Okay.
you know, lean with it.
Let's see. Nice.
Yep, you're right, though. It's yellow.
So it's yellow? Okay, cool. All right.
Pretty good. It's comfortable.
All right. You want to wear it on the way home? Because it's raining.
Yeah, that's a good point. Might as well.
All right, let's go ahead. We'll go ahead and pay for it, and we'll just have Wifey to keep it on. All right, let's do it.
That's something. Perfect timing.
Right, we got you this, babe, right in time. Guys, it's actually raining, bro. So Wifey's gonna go ahead and try her rain gear out for the first time while we ride home. All right, what's up, Wifey?
Hey, honey, how you doing?
Okay, yeah, that looks so commercial. Okay. All right, what you got here, beautiful?
All right, so I've got my Schubert modular helmet.
Okay.
My first black leather biker jacket. My rain gear pants and jacket from Frogg Toggs. And my leather chaps.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So it's up to you, baby. Do you want to get the leather boots, or are you gonna just use those as the people were saying, or because if so, we need to go ahead and get you some boots.
Well, I'm okay with these boots. They're comfortable.
And I
you
love
know.
them tassels, baby. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. I do too. And you know, I've been wearing it every week for the longest. So they're comfortable. And once the order comes in for the highway passenger pegs and the floorboards, that's gonna bring, you know, additional comfort for my legs and my feet. I can stretch out more. So I think the boots are fine, you know.
Okay.
I'm good with it.
Cool beans. So what Wifey's talking about, guys, I ordered from Harley the passenger floorboards here. So that's going to replace this little guy here. So I got the mounting kit as well as the actual floorboard itself. So we're going to disassemble all of this here, place the mounting kit, and just put the floorboard on. And I got her the passenger highway pegs from Karaoke, and I'll show you guys that when it arrives. So that there has the passenger highway pegs. You can put it all the way back when it's not in use, so she can put it in the 12 o'clock position, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, and she can stretch out pretty much how I be stretching out on my actual foot pegs there. So yeah, man, I think that's going to be a great add-on to Equal. So Wifey is pretty much good. Now, what you say, you good? You ready to rock and roll?
I am.
So you ready to hit the road? Ah, what's up, man? Man, anything you want to say to the people, boo?
Well, thanks again for watching our channel, and hope you enjoyed the vid as much as we did. Blessings.